When was the last time you truly deep cleaned your home? Not just vacuuming the carpet or wiping down the kitchen counter, but actually going into the hidden corners that we often ignore? The scary truth is, most of us live with layers of dust, bacteria, and even mold in places we never even think about. And those forgotten corners could be quietly affecting your health, your allergies, and even the air you breathe. In this video, we're going to uncover the forgotten corners of your home that desperately need deep cleaning, and once you see them, you'll never look at your house the same way again. But before we dive in, make sure to like this video and subscribe to The Big Sweep for more life-changing cleaning secrets and forgotten hacks that make your home shine. Behind and under your appliances. Think about your fridge, oven, or washing machine. They sit in one place for years. Dust, food crumbs, and even insects hide behind them, creating a breeding ground for bacteria. Moving these heavy appliances may feel like a chore, but once you see the dirt collected there, you'll understand why this corner should never be ignored. Ceiling fans and light fixtures. How often do you look up at your ceiling fan? Probably never. But every spin of that dusty fan is spreading dirt across your room like invisible confetti. The same goes for chandeliers and light fixtures. Dust builds up, dulling their shine and polluting your air. A quick wipe with a microfiber cloth and mild cleaner can bring them back to life. Baseboards and moldings. We mop the floor and dust the furniture. But baseboards? They're always forgotten. Dust clings to them, and over time, they become a dull, grimy line around your entire home. Cleaning them takes minutes, but it transforms the look of your space instantly. Under the bed and sofa. If you think monsters under the bed are scary, wait until you see the dust bunnies. These dark, hidden corners collect dust, pet hair, and lost items. Vacuuming under your bed and sofa not only keeps your home clean, but also helps reduce allergies. Air vents and filters. Your air vents are like the lungs of your home, but if they're clogged with dust and debris, you're breathing in dirty air every day. Cleaning vents and replacing filters improves air quality instantly and even makes your AC or heater more efficient. Curtains and blinds. We wash our clothes and bed sheets regularly, but when was the last time you cleaned your curtains? They quietly absorb dust and odors from cooking and smoking. Blinds, too, trap layers of dust. Giving them a wash or wipe down will make your whole room feel fresher. Behind the toilet and bathroom corners. Bathrooms may look clean on the surface, but corners behind the toilet often hide grime and bacteria. Moisture builds up in shower corners too, leading to mold. A little scrubbing with vinegar or baking soda can make these forgotten spots hygienic again. Door handles, switches, and remote controls. These are some of the most touched surfaces in your home, yet they're rarely cleaned. Imagine how many germs get passed from hands to handles, switches, and remotes. Wiping them with a disinfectant once a week makes a huge difference. Mattresses and pillows. We spend 1/3 of our lives in bed, but mattresses and pillows collect sweat, dust mites, and dead skin over time. Vacuuming them and using a fabric spray or sunlight treatment keeps your bed fresher and healthier. The hidden truth of cleaning. The truth is, cleaning isn't just about making your home look nice. It's about protecting your health and creating a fresh environment. These forgotten corners may be invisible at first glance, but once you uncover them, you'll realize they've been quietly shaping the way your home feels. So, the next time you plan a deep cleaning session, don't just stop at the obvious spots. Go deeper, look into the hidden corners, and you'll feel the difference instantly. And as always, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to The Big Sweep. Because sometimes the cleanest homes are the ones where even the corners shine. And don't forget to click the link below to get your 100% free top 10 cleaning products list and emergency speed cleaning checklist. As a bonus, you'll also get access to our free community,